honey mustard glazed club sandwich meatballs. Hi, I'm Susanne from New Roads, Louisiana, author of the cookbook Makeover My Leftovers and creator of the food waste blog Makeover My Leftover. Lagniappe means a little something extra. Today I'd like to share with you a favorite leftover recipe of mine for leftover holiday ham. First, I have a half a pound of ground turkey in a bowl. If you have leftover cooked turkey, you can always put those turkey slices into a food processor, give it a pulse, and mince it. Look at that, already cooked crumbled turkey. Talk about a time saver. Pop that in the freezer for quick Taco Tuesdays. To the half a pound of turkey, I'm going to add 6 slices of crumbled cooked bacon. I have 1 slice of toast that I'm going to spread a tablespoon of mayo, or mayonnaise like I like to say, and then we're simply going to slice the bread, the toast, and we're going to add it to the food processor along with our leftover ham. Just give that a quick slice too. We need a half a pound of leftover ham, and we're going to give it a quick swirl. We're going to add that to our ground turkey along with a teaspoon of dry mustard, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and the only way to mix this up is to get our hands dirty. Notice there's no egg. The bread, the toast with the mayo is going to help bind it all together. Once you have it all together, we're going to take a tablespoon to use it along with a little bit of moistened hands here to roll our meatballs. So you're going to put it in a non-stick muffin tin, and this is going to make about 18 meatballs. This is a good job for the kids to do too. Bake them in a 400-degree oven for 15 minutes. 15 minutes is up. My motto is to cook is to create. So think about what you love in your club sandwich. You like an avocado? Add an avocado into the mix. A chicken club? Use ground chicken instead of ground turkey. I love honey mustard as a side to dip my club sandwich in. So for these club sandwich meatballs, I'm going to make a honey mustard glaze. We have 1/4 of a cup of honey, a tablespoon of Creole mustard, and a teaspoon of prepared horseradish. It's optional if you don't like it spicy, but I love things spicy. So we're just going to mix that all together, and then we're going to brush it liberally onto our meatballs. Doesn't that look good? Now we're going to take them and put them in the oven for broil for 5 minutes. So here we have our honey mustard glazed club sandwich meatballs with lots of leftover love for Louisiana. Thanks for having me.